Today you are going to witness the real technology. And Madam is going to be welcomed by our humanoid robot, which is being developed by our own students and also alumni. And this in turn is being done in collaboration with a company called Robomanthan. Let me also invite Navis to welcome our chief guest to this program. This is completely developed at BNMIT. This Navis, an important feature is that it's being fully 3D printed. The complete mechanical structure is being 3D printed by us and entirely designed using advanced CAD tools, optimized for proper weight distribution and also balance. This operates in a hybrid mode, and this has got the capability to answer all your questions. But you can ask this question only after the convocation, not now. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Navis.
Welcome Ms. Saraswati Ramachandra as our chief guest for this graduation day in 2026 of MBA and
Yes. Thank you. I extend my respectful welcome to our Honorable Chairman of Governing Body, whose constant guidance, visionary leadership, and unwavering support have been instrumental in shaping the growth and progress of the institution. My sincere greetings and also